All right, ke zithandwa zami. So, yini in a child uma kulokukhulunywa ngokuthi kunale ngane engaphakathi kuwena, and sometimes leyo ngane iyona ingane othi uma dlula kwizigameko manje empilweni yakho uthola ukuthi sokureacta bani, sokureacta leyo ngane, because leyo ngane iyona eyafunda early ukuthi ithandwa kanjani kuze yona ithande kanjani, and leyo ngane iyona eyafunda early mhlambe ukuthi what is comfort and what is not comfort. Iyona eyafunda early mhlambe through being criticized. Iyona eyafunda early mhlambe through being rejected. Iyona eyafunda early mhlambe even through not feeling safe. Ngoba khumbula sanozama ukuthi iy'ngane more than anything abantwana they want to belong and they want to feel safe. Befuna ukwazi ukuthi ngiyathandwa uma wami ubaba wami. So that whole thing of feeling safe ey'nganeni means that's their primary goal is safety ey'nganeni. Now when you don't feel safe, it means how do you then react? It means you then defend yourself. All right. So meaning iy'ngane most of the time how they react with the world is through defense. Manje, how we defend ourselves as iy'ngane because of what we went through becomes the same way we defend ourselves also as adults. Ngoba that same defense mechanism, it's an area in your brain called the amygdala, the same one that iy'ngane use, is the same one that you use. That is why sometimes uke uthi ubhekene nesimo unga-react as umuntu omdala ugcina usu-reacta njengengane, because it's the very same center where if kuwukuthi kunento eyingozi phambi kwakho or into that makes you feel unsafe, noma ingxabano or a threat, you act sometimes exactly as you did as a child, okay?